As long as give me your response in typing or on my whatever. I'll send this in YouTube, but I will set like private. Only you with the link and your friend with the link can see lah. I won't put public lah. Yes, yes. Definition must be exactly the same in textbook. Okay, but also some kata sendi is changed. Never mind lah. If you say the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional with the, doesn't matter lah. But the key must be there. Okay. Okay, so now this one what physical quantity is kept constant? The gradient, right? The gradient. Then what is the gradient? Yes, congratulations is the false. Why you say so? Because like constant means you can see this gradient same as this gradient, same as this gradient, same as the big gradient lah. This question quite challenging. Okay, so now what we do, let's say, hi monkey. You can off camera if you want, because I'm recording. As long as you all give me response in typing or on mic, okay? Okay, how to find gradient? Gradient actually is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So gradient equals to, I would say changes of y divided by changes of x. So this is changes of y. This is changes of x. So gradient actually means the vertical distance divided by horizontal distance. I believe all your maths and maths quite good. You will understand this. So like normally we substitute the number. Now we substitute the unit. Okay, we got two ways. Number one is we substitute this. This is A divided by 1 over M. Substitute, what is it called? Physical quantity. Then, right, you press your calculator. Actually, this one would be 1A divided by 1 over M. So A divided by 1 over M, as you know this in Form 1, A times you switch this AM. Then you may say, teacher, apa ni? I never see. You change the place MA. What equals the MA force law? Okay. And then, or you can just do this. You substitute the unit. The unit for y-axis is here, meter per second per second. The unit for x-axis is here, per gram. Okay, right now you shift it up. So I think all of you know, right? So, you need to use your indices knowledge. 1 over x minus 1, you will get x powers of negative 1 means x powers of 1. So you will get gram meter per second per second. So so actually it should be kg lah, but this is actually mass times acceleration. So it is a false one. If you change gram to kg, then it will become Newton. So you all need to be alert to what is always kept constant. The gradient if this is a linear graph, straight line graph. Okay. This is very new to you lah, but at the end of the year, you'll feel this one, sub suay lah. Means piece of cake lah. Okay, now, physical quantity kept constant, but sometimes they will ask this question. This what question? They will say, what? The questions here. What is the physical quantity represented by gradient? Another question. What is the type of the physical quantity represented by gradient? Behind all the same. Behind all the same. But what's the difference? The type of something I can see that. See that. What is means they want the name. What is means you write name of the physical quantity like just now, force. What type means please choose. There are two groups of types. One is called base quantity. One is called derived quantity. Another one is called scalar quantity. Another one called vector quantity.
The hell is cremation service?
What? Who is talking? I just get later it's recorded. You will regret. Okay. Like so now, if they ask what is means the name, what type you choose either one from each group lah. Like what do you think force is? Like everyone, you just type base or derive, scalar or vector. Like force is what? Force is just right. Just type BDSV. Which one or which two? Like vector, congratulations. Derive, congratulations. Vector, yes, congratulations. Yeah. Force will be derived by because F equals to ma. When it forms a formula, means it's a derived quantity. Vector means it always point to one direction. For example, gravitational force go down. Okay. Seems like you understand. Seems okay. No. So okay. Name and type. Type. Choose one from the four. Name. Okay, like next, state the relationship between acceleration and mass. So this one actually you need some knowledge from Form 5 Chapter 1 Maths. But also you can do now. How to do this? We normally use proportional in an alpha. Directly proportional, same level. Inversely proportional means one up and one down, like this one inversely. So now, let's see how to write the relationship. Sorry, is it? It's A. This one is we write A is straight line means directly proportional to 1 over m. So we say A is directly proportional to 1 over m. So this is direct lah. So if they ask relationship between A and 1 over m, yes, we say directly proportional. But now what they want, they also can write this in this way. That means A in this way lah. So yeah, A and M actually is A is inversely proportional to M. Hey, Kimberly, good, good, good. Okay, so now this one. Determine the value of the reciprocal mass. Reciprocal mass means 1 over m lah. Then the acceleration, when the acceleration is 10 meter per second, so acceleration, we choose as 10, A equals to 10, then we draw a line to here. Yeah, I know you will say, teacher, it's not clear. Okay, we treat it's the second line first. The second box after 0.4. Second, I mean the first box and first box. So it will be 0.41. It's not clear. Okay, I know. In exam, sure clear. If not clear, teacher will go to your class, tell you, don't worry. Okay, so it's 0.41. Not clear, not clear. So as if not clear, then if you say it's 0.41, oh, is this fried chicken? Okay, so okay lah. So that's it lah. I think so. 2 marks. Oh, this is 1 mark only. Normally this one 2 marks one. 2 marks means 1 mark from your answer. Another mark, you must draw this line. You draw this line called extra. Sorry. No. Called interpolation. Inter means inside. You draw this line, the L. Hi, fried chicken. Okay, interpolation, like this 1 mark, I must show your working. Why we all need to take exam? We want to show we understand. So show working to examiner. Right, next, free fall. Okay, chapter 2. Wait, chapter 2 only got a few topics only. What is it? Hello. If you want to off camera, doesn't matter. Right? Alright. Don't worry if you want to off camera. See, this is our subtopic lah. Not like linear motion graph, free fall motion, inertia, momentum, force, impulsive force, weight. So this one obviously is free fall lah. This one obviously is free fall lah. Our exam is on Tuesday. So much subtopic, not much that during lesson time already do that. So this one is nowadays PM on top, BI at the bottom. Birds feather drop from a height outside the vacuum. And this is the same feather drop from the same height inside the vacuum. This one drop free fall. Okay, so now how? So what do you think? Line A. Which one correct? Up or down correct? Right. Down. Up, down. Fast. Up. Line up, down. Line. Fast. Up. Right. Quick. Right. It's okay. It's okay. You choose the 7 up, sorry. I don't know. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, up. Yep. Up. Yes. Then then you will say, why? Okay, let's look at this. I believe all of you know this very well. Okay. Slowly. And the feather. This one. So, so let's switch. Future. This one drops very slow. Very slow. Very slow. Why the force? It's because of actually here got two forces lah. Okay, stop attack people. Okay. Right here got two forces. One is called weight. Both also same weight. Because what is weight? Weight is mg. What is mg? Mg is mass times gravitational force. Chill. Yeah. Chill. Okay, if not, I will like chill lah. It's okay lah. Don't worry lah. Don't worry lah. Chill. Don't. Chill. It's okay. We better wrong here rather than wrong in exam, right? Okay, like mass times gravitational force. So actually both of them you experiencing same gravitational force, same. But what makes a difference? The difference is because of air resistance. Air resistance. What is it? I can tell you, both of them call force. Both of them are force. They should say that air resistant force or weight force. But they didn't tell that, so confusing. So actually, the weight is the gravitational force act on the mass. So they have same gravitational force. Just air resistant force different. So in vacuum, no, exactly no air resistance. But in the air, yeah, high air resistance. So, okay, get the idea? Gravitational force is the same. Just air resistance in the air is high. Get the idea? All right, so now mark and label the direction of forces. See, forces, because force, according to Newton's third law, you all learned in Form 2, but I believe you all forgot already. Okay, forces. The force always comes in pairs, acting on the feather. Okay, so now outside the vacuum chamber means we got air resistance and we got gravitational force. And I want to tell you, if you write this in the exam, sorry, no marks. Please write full words. So gravitational force. Okay. The feather in a vacuum arrived earlier than the feather without vacuum. Why? Because air. So that now we know already lah. Air resistance in the vacuum is smaller than in vacuum, sorry, without vacuum. When they mention in vacuum, please mention in vacuum first. Okay. Like we check got any other free fall or not? Free fall. Like free fall. See, this is page 8. Page 8. Diagram 3 shows a skydiving athlete making a free fall jump from the building of the height 880 meter. Air resistance is negligible, means treat it zero lah. What is meant by free fall motion? Do you memorize already? Now you know why in the class I always ask you to memorize that. Actually, physics, the terms and the things you need to memorize very, very, very less. But when I ask you to memorize means you really need to memorize now. Means normally it's A. Number 1, weight is a force. Weight is a force. Air resistance is also a force. Thank you. I call for left chase. Thank you very much. Okay, so it's free fall. Where is it? Free fall. Yeah, free fall is what? I don't know why I cannot make it larger. It can. Like free fall is the motion of an object is affected only by gravitational force. It's a motion of an object. Or we say it's a fall of an object. Thank you, fried chicken. Okay. It is the motion of an object. Fast. Jot down already. Okay. Very good. We discussed this later. Of an object is affected only by gravitational force. Okay, is affected only by gravitational force. Okay. Hey, don't play lah. Don't play the what is it? The picture or what? Focus. Hello. Your exam, you know. Focus.
Teacher, do we have to use kepala ayat?
Papa is it called kepala ayat? I don't get it. Yes.
Like, do we have to answer, follow the question, and then copy back the question to answer?
No need. Just we scientists, physicists, we want direct reason. No need copy back. Like everyone, do you think this sentence can get 1 mark? Thank you. Yeah, sorry, no marks because you just mentioned gravity. Form 3, okay. But we form 4 already. Yes, please do not write gravity because we got 2. We got gravitational force and gravitational acceleration. So please write gravitational force. Okay, it's the key lah. Gravitational force is a physical quantity. But if you just say gravity, what is the physical quantity? Okay. What? 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 It's okay. Don't attack each other. No need, no need, no need bother what your friends say. Just focus on yourself. I think if you all continue like that, I need to block lah. I think you only can chat with me lah. Meeting group chat. Yeah, you only can chat with me. I thought you all matched it already. Not matched it yet. Okay, like once they give you number, sure, you need to calculate that. Okay, so now a second skydiving athlete jumped 5 seconds later than the first one. Predict either the second athlete can match his position in the air with the first skydiver athlete or not. What is match his position? What is the meaning of match of position? Does they mean reach the same height? If like that, no lah. Reach the same height cannot lah. Because the speed of second skydiving athlete of the second skydiving athlete is lower than the first one. It takes longer time to reach same speed as the first one. Okay. Right, so now, calculate the distance of the first skydiving athlete from the jumping place when the second.
Can we write in point form?
Okay. And what? Point form can point form can. But full sentence if you write like this, the speed low. Sorry wrong Okay, can be point form but full sentence. Okay, full sentence. I believe your chemistry teacher also said that lah. Biology must be in paragraph. I'm not too sure. Better check with teacher. Point form, full sentence. If you show me this directly wrong, Okay, right? Since it's free falling, right, fast. Calculation. What is our first step in calculation? Right, info. Please remember I have that. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Sin. I don't know who. Yeah, info first, yeah. So info is G is 9.81 meter per second per second. Then no more. How? No more. Thank you, Kaijin. Thank you, Shinny. Okay, so actually this one 820 is not the real distance. The distance should be from here to here. Maybe not reach the ground yet. So what they want calculate the distance. So your distance should be an equal sign. From the second starts their jump, I translate this t equals to 5 seconds. Yes, thank you. Second, please. You know why? I just recall impulsive force. The time is 5 milliseconds. Many people think, oh, it's 5 meters per second. No. Okay, so yeah, actually normally got two hidden info. One is G. Another one will be U equals to 0 lah. Then what to do? I believe all of you get the formula already. Formula. Now here lah. Given, don't worry. Let's check here. Which one is the best? We need to translate back here lah. G actually is acceleration. ST. So let's check. We got AS. Oh, I encourage you all just write ASTUV at once. And then you follow lah. So we don't have what ASTU, we don't have V. Find a formula without V. Number 3 lah. So copy this. S equals to UT plus half AT squared. Okay, like S equals to UT plus half AT squared. So S equals to U0, this one 0, half. Okay, by the way, for me lah, the G negative or not doesn't matter. Negative just means it goes down lah. So negative 9.81. T is 5. For me lah, I feel you put positive and put doesn't matter means you set hold down as positive lah. Anyway, the magnitude you count would be the same lah. 122.625. 122.625. Let me check. I think will be. Thanks for calculating for me. Yes. So congratulations, 1 mark. And sorry, what's wrong? Anyone can tell what's wrong.
Unit.
Yes. Yes. What's the unit? Is it meter per second?
Meter.
Yes. So don't cry when you see this. But actually, I think it's good if you forgot unit. Because most of your senior, I can see their regret face. Oh, why I didn't check unit? And after that, no more. Always write unit properly. Why does the unit must be meter? Because here, you see, this is meter per second, SI unit. This is, so this one must be in meter too. SI unit. So you all can like go check if sometimes they give kilometer per hour, you need to change to kilometer per second. I make a few video lah. One is, I would say this is white calculator. The button is white. Another calculator is MS, I would say is black calculator, black button. You all go. Actually, from here you can see already that this is a white one, this is a black one, same title. I will forgot, go check. Oral calculator. No, don't worry. What's your YouTube channel name? Jagusa. Where is my Jagusa? Just type Jagusa. Okay. And give me a like. Let me feel. You all okay. You all use it and I'm encouraged. I'm encouraging by you. Yay. Okay, so if cause I find out lah, I always need to repeat the basic. So I put the skill here lah. You all go check lah. Huh? So I feel since I always need to repeat means you always forget. So I make video short one lah, like 1 minute, less than 1 minute lah. Yeah. Okay, so now next. Can make video teaching but 2. How many 10 marks question will be in exam? 2. 9 or 10 got 10 marks question. 11 got 10 marks question. Okay. Wow, time flies. Wow, almost 1 hour. I'll extend a bit. Okay, the rest I think you all can try lah. Now I want to focus on teknik menjawab soalan. Actually, Encik Nazim and I already tell in class that when you see number 5 and number 6, sure got compare one. Sometimes the compare in every place, but sometimes the compare only on top. Must know the format. So how to write? For this one, please copy balik the thickness of the mattress in. I prefer you all write like this lah. Diagram 5.1 is blah blah, then or equal in diagram 5.2. Like the thickness. This is thin. This is thick. Thin and thick can. So it's thinner than, it's lesser, it's smaller than, okay, so actually impact time. So like, please recopy the athletes. Okay, if you don't want to say athlete, because the most important is the physical quantity lah. Thickness can be measured in length, so impact time. Okay, you don't want to write the adjective, doesn't matter. The impact time in diagram 5.1 is what then in diagram 5.2. Like impact time, like more than or less than, like lesser. Yeah, it's lesser. It's then so now the impulsive force in diagram 5.1 is what then in diagram 5.2. Now impulsive force. Yeah, it's higher than. It's higher than. Okay, this is the format sentence. Compare.
My friend asked if can write like this. Why is my camera like that one? Wait, I cannot see my. Can write like this or not?
See. I can't see. Let me see. Okay, actually can. I know can, but just want to advise you not to do that in form 4. Try to make a full sentence in form 4. Can, that one can, definitely can. But I face a problem lah. I do that for a few years. Then I find out my brain rusty on making sentence for comparison. So I hope you all like in form 4, you all make the full sentence. Train yourself in full sentence first. Okay? Just my problem lah. Maybe you won't face it lah. What page is it? It's page 14.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then now next relate impact time and impulsive force. So see, and I encourage you all always write 5.1 in front first. If the ballet also can, no problem. Just 5.1 in front easier for what? Easier for see 5.1 lesser, 5.1 higher. So obviously, impact time increases, impulsive force decreases the ballet law. So the relationship is, I know you all like to use primary school sentence. Can. But I encourage you all write physical quantity first. So we write impact time increases. Easy for us to check physical quantity increase. Impulsive force decreases. Okay. Can. Very good. Then that's good English. That's the impact time increases, the impulsive force decreases. Can. So it's inversely proportional. Okay, I want to tell you, I don't encourage you or use this sentence. Impact time is inversely proportional to impulsive force. I don't encourage you to do this. Not wrong. Why I discourage? Because in 2023, there is a question. This one normally is only for graph. It's the conclusion for graph. In 2023, they purposely make the diagram cannot draw graph. Means got two, only one got physical quantity. Another one is shape. The shape cannot measure as 1, 2, 3, 4. So at that year, anyone who write inversely proportional all wrong. So for paper 2, relationship, we teacher encourage use this kind of sentence, which we call it as hypothesis. It's correct. This one's still correct, but that question 1%. So many years so far, all accepted. 99% accepted, but that year 1% rejected. Then lost 2 marks. So please use hypothesis sentence. Yeah, actually, this sentence is the conclusion of the graph. So, and this sentence is a hypothesis, means the prediction of your result. This sentence only shows one graph, like this. But this sentence can show many types of graph. Could be like this. This one should be start from 0. This one should not, you cannot start from 0. This one, you can say this. Okay. You can say this. What else? You can say this, not start from 0. You can say this, not start from 0. Yeah. So increases can show many possible of graph. But if you say inversely proportional only for one graph, like this, or reciprocal graph, like this. Yeah, so encourage you all use hypothesis sentence because there are many possibilities. Okay, like next, name the law involved. Newton's second law. Can I get one more? Yes or no? Like. Thank you, Sydney. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you. Who is it? Thank you, Kai. Thank you, Kai Jun. Thank you, Jitro. Yeah, no, I cannot get one more because the name of the law not complete. Newton's second law of motion. Then only I can get one. So that's why, thank you, Ethan. Thank you, Janelle, Chinya. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Timothy. Yeah. That's why many people will feel, I understand. My normal exercise also I can answer, but why my mark so low? Answering technique. Not matured yet. Answering technique. Must be full, do you have found your definition already? Do you have found the name already? Do you use hypothesis as your relationship? Do you know how to compare? Okay, then next, this one. Okay, so like mass of athlete 51 kg. Every time please write info first. Let me laugh if you get wrong and without info. I also know some students really genius, talented, intelligent. Yeah, they do in my segment. I'm okay with that. But if you wrong, let me laugh. Okay, so now and the velocity before touching the mattress. Actually, what is it? Before touching is the final velocity. Every time any sentence just say just before touching, just before reach, its final velocity, 5 meters per second. Okay, the impact time is 0.8 seconds. 0.8 seconds. Okay, this one, okay, I will just calculate the impulsive force. What is the formula? Please write formula first. Formula first. Yes, before it stops. Yeah, before it stops. So means before it stops. Means when it go to maximum height, then it will be free fall. Free fall means u equals to 0. And then in SPM, if you terbalik B and U, wrong, because you don't know how to differentiate U or B. Also wrong, Actually, the answer is the same, You terbalik, answer almost the same, just negative positive. But if you translate wrong, so means U is 0. It's like free fall already because you go to the highest part, then you start free fall. Formula, please write F equals to MV minus MU over T. Why I always encourage you write formula? Let's see. Got this formula in formula list or not? Don't have. Means, let's say you substitute wrongly. Because you write formula not in the formula list, you still get 1 mark. Understand? So, IFS substitute, okay? Avoid many careless mistakes. 318.75 Newton. I hope it's correct. I didn't check. Okay, so 51乘5减掉51乘0除以0.8。Okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. Now, so now 1 mark for either formula substitution, then 1 mark for your final answer. Now, if this one, okay, very good. How about if I say an egg drop? An egg drop. This egg is at mass equals to 0.2 kg. No. Right now, this egg mass is 200 grams. Quite heavy. The velocity just before touch the wood, the V is 5 meters per second. So drop means U0. The time to stop, the impact time is 8 ms. How are you going to do? Right, everyone, can you calculate this now? Since down here got many places, maybe you can calculate down here. Yay, thank you. Yay. By the way, since force is Newton, Newton means what? Newton means SI unit. Okay, SI unit means everything placed in SI unit, which is M equals to 0.2 kg, U is 0, V is 5 meters per second, T is 8 millisecond. Please be alert to the prefix, yeah. This is called millisecond, yeah. So you got 2 ways You got 2 ways to do. One is, one is you just type 8 millisecond here. Use your calculator, type milli. 8 milli, mana dia? Here. Small prefix. Milli is small prefix. 8 milli. And you will get 8 times 10 powers of negative 3 seconds. So you change milli to times 10 powers of negative 3. Or you just press 8 milli lah. So F equals to MV minus MU over T. For me, I lazy person, I like to factorize out MV minus U over T. Then 0.25 minus 0 divided by T is 8 milli. Means when you press calculator, you press 8 milli or 8 times 10 powers of negative 3. Remember, this is not meter per second. This is called milli prefix. Be careful. Normally, in positive force, will purposely change to milli and confuse you. Okay? Then you all do not important. The answer not important. Important things is you know the concept. You alert to milli. Okay. 2.2乘5除以100 Yeah, should be 125 Newton. So if you ignore the milli, what you will get? You'll get 0.125 Newton. Okay, alert to milli. Why I know sure you wrong? I mark a lot every year. Every time when I mark wrong, I feel, oh, I want to shake on their head. Hello. Hey, hello. Oh, if 125 is 0.2 times this, see that if you didn't change to milli, you will get this. Means wrong lah. Means wrong lah. If you ignore this milli, then you get wrong. Normally it's 3 marks. You still will get 1 mark for correct substitution. Just you didn't convert it. Okay, so be careful. Actually, you sure got people get wrong. All right, so now you see 5 or 6 is this. Compare. Compare. Be careful when this one, when you see 2 car, normally it's momentum. What is, anyone can tell what is the principle of physics involved? I consider all of you know what is momentum already, but what is the physics principle? Can I just write momentum? Thank you. You must write the full name. Yes, thank you. Should write principle of conservation of momentum. No, Bunki, cannot. The conservation on momentum. No. It's principle of conservation of momentum. Two of Cannot write short form. Why I write? I didn't take tests. Okay. Okay, calculate. Normally calculate the velocity means you show the m1 u1 plus m2 u2. I believe all of you can memorize already Then do not forget when direction. This is something you learn this year only. Normally we say this one go to right hand side is positive, to left hand side negative. Okay. Isn't it principle of conservation of energy? Yeah, energy we learned last year, but this is momentum. So it's principle of conservation of momentum. Energy is last year lah, okay, like this one, this person from this height, maybe 1 meter height, he jumped down. So principle of conservation of energy is like this. Here is mgh. So let's say it's 50 kg lah. 50 times 9.81 times height 1 meter. 50乘so it's 490.5 Newton. Sorry, joule. And when he dropped here, what is his maximum kinetic energy? Half mv squared. Also 490.5 joule. Conservation of energy means energy before same as energy after. But this question talk about anything about energy? No, only momentum. So momentum means total momentum before equals to total momentum after. And remember, this is opposite direction. Okay, so you all know why, why the trailer got more trailer or one trailer, right? Why two tire? Because to reduce the impact of inertia. Inelastic, I didn't read properly. You all read lah. Oh, yeah, two vehicles merge and move together. Oh, yeah, then okay. Then we factorize these two up. Yeah, they share same common final velocity. Yeah. I didn't read properly. You all read that. You all take exam, right? Okay, let's see the 10-mark question. Got 10 mark. This one very good. Why this? Why not? Why not this but this? Jet. Oh, I discussed this with for Santanya. Normally got spaceship. Be careful about what is the fuel inside the rocket. The fuel inside a rocket got liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. Oxygen, but liquid form. They mix and they burn. They burn in combustion chamber, produce hot gas. The hot gas will produce downward momentum. At the same time, it will produce the hot gas produce downward momentum. At the same time, the rocket produce upward momentum. According to the principle of conservation of momentum, total momentum before equals to total momentum after. Then it go up lah. Yeah. Normally number 10, yes, you need to draw table. This is a 4-mark question. Then like this one. See, got see what? See kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Obviously, this is SI unit, this is not. Sorry. Yeah, sneezing infectious. But it's okay. I'm alone with my computer here. So I no need cover my nose. Okay, see, all of this meter per second, 10 seconds. So yeah, please change from meter per hour to meter per second. Again, is here if you forgot. Or manually lah, up to you lah. Just be alert to SI unit, okay? Then this one, please draw table. I believe all of you know how to draw table already, right? Right? Then you chose that. Yeah, explain again. Okay lah, can. Nice, fast. This one we call it as decision making. Decision making. So you will get a test bed. Yeah, test bed. When you see 9 or 10 or 11, or use test bed 1 to 8 inside the paper, 9, 10, 11 in the test bed. For me lah, I like 3 columns table lah. But if you say, teacher, I like 2 only, can, no problem, as long as you draw table. Okay. Yes, please do the conclusion. Means you choose you must choose, huh? Right. So now number 1 is correct. Normally I make the choice like shorter lah. The reason like longer, but this two I make it short. So I will say characteristic. And this is your reason. If you forgot the center, never mind lah. Actually, center is your choice lah. But you don't write, never mind. You don't write center, never mind. As long as front characteristic, back reason. Then number 1. What are we going to write? Number 1, copy this in number 1. Copy this in number 2. Copy this in number 3. Copy this material in number 4. Okay. So we say it's a side view of the shape of the fast trade and material. You all copy lah. Yeah, as long as you know lah. Copy, okay. And choose lah. Your choice is pentagon or aerodynamic. Aerodynamic lah. Reason you all learned just now. Reduce air resistance. And it's a package that since you reduce air resistance, you will increase acceleration. Always say increase net force first. Okay. Air resistance is a force. Means let's say go forward called thrust force. Go backward called air resistance. Air resistance. So when air resistance decrease, means you increase the forward net force. Means F net equals to ma. You increase net force, you increase acceleration. Must write table. Yes. Right. Okay. Reduce the drag. Can. Yeah. Please draw table. I don't want to read paragraph. I don't want to read a column. No. It hurt my eyes. Please draw table. If you don't draw table, we will have a small clinic together. Draw table lah, yeah. Yay, your head lah, yay. Okay. Yeah, I want to ask a question. The question is, Ahmad is riding skateboard and Ahmad jumped off the skateboard. Is it explosion? Yep. Wait. The question, Ahmad is riding a skateboard, means it's moving, then suddenly jump off. Jump. Yeah, I think it's still explosion. Okay. Air friction. So far, I don't see it in textbook lah, but the question will say air friction in SPM 2023. Got the word air friction, but I don't see it in textbook. Better we write air resistance. The question can write anything actually, but we better follow textbook air resistance. Okay, right now, and then reason, please write at least 2 reasons. If let's say you wrong one, we teachers still got backup, find the marks for you. Okay. Now, normally how teacher mark the 10 marks is like this: 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 is the choice lah. Is the choice, is it? Yeah, it's the choice. Then 9 is your choice R. Must write R without R, without 1. Okay. Then what is 2, 4, 6, 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. The even number paired to the odd number is your reason. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Not encourage you. 10 is you must write back, why you choose R, because R got aerodynamic shape, low density, 8 short sculptures, and superconductor as the base. Means you repeat back what you chose. You repeat back. Please write the sentence you repeat back. Okay, then let's say you got 3 reasons. So, this one wrong. But okay, your second correct. But you still get the 2 marks, the second marks. I normally don't write but if I write, doesn't mean you get 3 marks. It's mark number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 9, 10 marks. So actually 10 marks quite easy to score A tips is, please write number 1, a physics reason first. Involved with physical quantity, the force, more or less, increase, decrease. The acceleration, more or less, increase, decrease. Physics reasons. Again, write common sense. Common sense reason. For example, if after this you feel, teacher, I want to write common sense reason up by you can say, the train move faster, safer, something like common sense reason. Most of the time we want physics reason first. Sometimes, not every time, sometimes common sense reason is acceptable. So I encourage you all write at least 1 physics reason, 2 physics reason, 1 common sense reason. And also, please read here first. Please read. Once you look at the table, please read here first. I would say this is a criteria. So see, the train can move with higher speed. So if I write here, move faster, safer, and then I write here, the train can move in highest speed. No marks. It's correct. But you repeat the criteria. Criteria cannot be your reason. Okay. It's okay because you're very new beginner. Technique mình cho 10 marks like that Now when you see 11, 9 or 10 or 11 sure on the test pad, then you can see again, number 11, you got 5 marks for compare and relationship. This one I discussed before I've done in school review. By the way, this one, especially if you number 1, you say, this is 11.1, 11.2. If you just say 11.1 bigger than 11.2, is it mass, total mass? Oh, sorry, less than. Point form. I want point form, but full sentence. If you do this, sorry, directly wrong. Because this sentence tell 3 comparison. You must tell the total. That's why I don't encourage you all use the short form. Please do this. The total mass in diagram 11.1 is less than in diagram 11.2. Must be a full sentence for essay. Okay, so you all can please learn the proper method first. Learn the full sentence first. Okay, then relationship. So the 5 marks could be point form. I don't want to say karang point form, but full sentence. Again, point form, full sentence. All right, then now this motorcycle. This one we call it. So number 9 or 10 is choice lah. Number 11 is called modification. Means you as an engineer, you remodify something. Okay, so racing motorcycle, like very important, read properly, and also draw the table. Okay, so modification that can be made to the motorcycle to accelerate faster and safer based on the properties of material of the motorcycle. Okay, so to accelerate faster and safer and inertia, this is the criteria. Don't make it as your reason. You make it as your reason, not wrong, but no notice. Okay, then based on properties of the material of motorcycle, number 1. Additional safety features, number 2. So how to score? Same thing from three column. You want 3 or 2, never mind lah. For me, I like 3 lah. The same thing also in front characteristic. Behind reason. If you forgot center, never mind. Center is called modification. Just now it's choice, now it's modification, modify. If you terbalik, never mind, no problem. We don't care this. Okay. So right now, number 1, we write material of the motorcycle. You may say, teacher, here only got 2. How to make 10 marks? Yeah, so you do that. I tell you, when they say properties of material, you must feel happy. Right? Material got many things to write. Number 1, you can write the name. Number 2, you can write the properties. Okay, so for example, actually this one like too simple lah. Normally they will write like this is called the frame of motorcycle. If they just say material of the motorcycle, so you can say that frame. Can say the tire. Something like yes, 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 very good, very good. Yes, very good. Oh, the times is over. Back up. Stainless steel. Okay, yeah. So for example, stainless steel frame. Capacity of engine. It doesn't say that. So I feel this question not so clear. They should like fix some characteristic for this engine. It doesn't talk about engine, so you can write lah, but I don't think answer for engine lah. Okay, additional features. The brake. So let's say you feel I can't record anything here. Never mind, you leave some space, and then down you number 2 safety features. Don't worry, you will have 2 test bed. Maybe you make 1 page long space. So safety features, for example, ABS, anti-lock braking system. Why can stop fast, can stop in shorter time. You see, physical quantity is mentioned in shorter time. Okay, stainless steel frame, we can say strong. Can I say durable? Can I say durable? No, no. When you feel you want to write durable, cancel it. But I encourage you to try not break easily. Okay. After SPM 2021, cannot see durable anymore. And I asked the chemistry teacher, he also said, no, durable, no. Yeah, strong. A higher acceleration, not really, because if you want higher acceleration, should choose titanium. You try wherever you put. Why titanium no mass? But I want to tell you, titanium very mahal. Normally used in airplane, in rocket. Motor, no need titanium. Low mass, low density, lightweight. Okay, why durable cannot, but not break easily can? Because not break easily, we can relate it to force. Durable, tahan lama. Anything related to physics? Not really. Okay, so the rest you can check your answer lah. The way to answer is, the format and to answer is like this. The rest you all can check answer. That's why we give you answer. Really no time to discuss all with you. Okay. So do and check answer. Don't copy it. You want also can, you copy. But if you just copy and without thinking why, no use one. So do and check answer, okay? So before exam finish all huh?
Yep.
And that's all for the day lah. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Yeah, bye bye. Oh, how react? Think how to react? Thank you. Hey, why I cannot react? Right? I cannot. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. How to react? Oh, it's on my screen. Oh, now I understand. Oh, like anyone. Oh, lower hand. Oh, okay.
Teacher, my sister want to say hi.
Hi, who are you? Who is your sister? Can I see your cat? Can
Wait.
I miss you. Okay. Hello. Hello. How are you? You?
So asking, how are you, teacher? Are you okay?
Yes. I stopped